today's video, we gotta find my keys because, well, not in today's video, but in the video you're watching as of right now, we are going to finally be fixing my steering issue. And how I'm going to fix my steering issue exactly is I need a new rack. My rack and pinion is garbage. Granted, it is my fault that my rack and pinion went due to me not putting fluid in the rack when I decided to loop it. And that shit gonna loop me off the road if I don't fix it. So we're heading to my old job. We're going to Advance Auto Parts. We're gonna get this power steering rack. I would do it today, but you know, the lady wants to hang out and she knows how it goes when Zosh works on a car. I take hours and hours and hours and hours. So I'm just gonna go pick it up today and start editing most of these videos and get these double uploads a day going out until I have content all out so I can start producing regular content. Let's go spin this rack on this rack, playboy.
I've been popping since my demo, bitch.
Yeah, I saw them both on, got me in Galaxy. Yeah, Louis V throw on, got me arrogant. Yeah.
Future goes so hard, bro. His album is easily a classic, son. And if you think otherwise, you a hater on the dead homies. Yeah. Okay, so I'm back home, and here is my new rack. It's reman, of course. You can't buy a new rack and pinion, but here it is, remanufactured, black, ready to go. And we will be installing this thing in the morning. What up? So it's the next day. It's time to get this power steering fixed, playboy. Now I wish I could show you guys how I can do it, but you guys obviously can't see because, well, you know me. I face this way when I do my installs instead of putting the car facing the light. All right, so to remove your power steering rack, so to replace your rack is actually pretty simple, especially on K-Series cars, so you got all the room in the back space of your engine bay. But you want to get the wheels off, you want to get your outer tie rod off, and there's some stuff from here you got to take off. You got to remove your steering wheel from your actual rack. I'll show you guys how to do that, but for the inside of the engine bay, it's actually fairly simple. You have two bolts. You see that one right there? I'll put an arrow on the screen. You got one right there, and you got one underneath it somewhere. I think it's on this side. I can't really see. Oh no, it's over there. You guys can't see it. Yeah, you guys really can't see. I'm sorry for the horrible I'll show you guys once I'm taking it off and everything. Now what I'm gonna have to do is actually drop my header to actually remove the rack out so I can slide it out. So I'm gonna put some headphones in and then just knock out this rack, but I'm gonna film everything and, you know, make it interesting to watch. Who wants to watch a rack and pinion install video, you know what I'm saying? So I'll try to make it best to walk you guys through it in case you have the same issue where I have, and I'll tell you the issues where I had and all that stuff once I get the new one in and the old one out. So let's do it though. So I'm underneath the dash, and this is my steering column rack thing. There's this thing that goes on it, which I don't know, I probably can't even see it, but there's like a boot. In order to remove this steering rack column from the actual rack itself, is two bolts. They're two 10 mils. There's one there, the 10 mil on this side, and there's a 10 mil right there. You remove those two, and then your rack is free to move. It's disconnected from here, so it's free once you loosen those two bolts on the outside. I think there's 3 bolts, well 4 in total, but obviously I'll walk you through that. But yeah, once you remove these two 10 mils, you don't have to come back in the car at all until it's time to install the new one. So yeah. It's literally been like 3 hours, bro, and I am having the worst time ever. The rack is completely loose. Like, bro, I took apart everything on the rack. Everything. I just can't get it off. I cannot remove the rack. Like, if you guys can see, let me see if I can zoom in. Oh, you guys, this right here is not even on the rack anymore. You see that? You see the spline on that thing? That is the rack, completely separated from the steering rack. So basically, you know, whatever the pinion where all the tie rod and stuff is separated from the actual rack itself, which is this thing right here. I'm doing a horrible job trying to show you guys. Horrible lighting, I know. But I just can't remove this rack, bro. I cannot remove this rack. It won't let me. I don't know what's going on. I cannot remove this thing, and it's pissing me off, son. And I searched everywhere. Like, I searched up every keyword, K20A, K24, K-swap, power steering rack removal, and nothing popped up. Like, no one ever put a K-swap in their car and had a rack go bad and replace the rack. No one apparently has never had that issue. So here's me. So hopefully this video will help somebody, but as of right now, I need help and I cannot remove this damn rack. So, and I know you guys are, and I know most of you guys are saying, yo, remove the subframe, or like push the motor forward. I don't know what to do. Dude, so I finally got the rack off and I had to use a grinder. No questions gonna be asked. I'm gonna show you why. I started everything at like 12:30. It's now 5 o'clock. The rack is out. And like, yo, Zosh, bro, why you use the grinder? Well, I had to cut it completely off because bro, if you're doing this at home with the K-Series, take it to a shop. Pay the money. I would never tell anyone to take their car to a shop, but yo, take it to, I would have been home and done chilling, editing, and bro, it's ridiculous all the crap I had to go through just to get this damn rack off. But it's off, finally. This is what I meant earlier about like me loosening up the bolts, because this goes in like this, well, other way around. And I had to loosen this thing completely off. Once this came loose, I'm like, yo, what the hell's on it? Obviously the two, you know, the return and the pressure, whatever, hoses, lines were connected. So I got one off with a 12 and I couldn't get the other one off. So I bent the hell out of it so it can sit like right here. And I used my grinder and just cut it. And then I had to drop the header. I had to go back like mid portion of the vehicle just to remove it from the hanger. Dropped it, and then it finally came loose. So now it's time to install the new rack. But like I said, bro, if you're doing this on a K20 swapped Integra and you're using another power rack and not a manual rack, the reason why I didn't want to use a manual rack is because the power steering racks has the best turning radius. The manual rack kinda, I mean, it's not bad, but it's not as good as using a power rack. So I was thinking about going manual, but I was like, nah, if I want to track the car and stuff, it's better to have a good turning radius. So I opted out for another power rack. So yeah, and like I said, if you're gonna do this on a K-swapped car with EG or DC subframe, just take it to a shop, bro. Just save yourself, bro. But if you ain't got money, then you can do what I did. You just have to figure it out. It took me 4 hours, bro. 4 hours, and we all know I'm not the most mechanically inclined YouTuber out here, and I don't claim to be, and I never will claim to be, because I don't want to be a mechanic. I just want to do stuff to my car so I can save money. And yeah, it's gonna take you some time to do it, bro. Definitely some time to do it. But if you have a B series or D series, the racks, bro, it should take you no more than an hour and a half tops. But bro, this was, I literally dropped the transmission 3 times, well, from the mount 3 times, thinking, dude, it was. Let's get the rack in. 7:37. My brother came over here. You know, I'd be ragging on with the red Sentra. Well, without his help, I wouldn't have got it on. It's the new rack is on, but like I said, go to a shop to get this done, because it took me 7 hours.
You can just call me. I'll come over.
Yeah, I'll call Jonathan. He'll probably, what you gonna charge him, 2 bags? I can't say that on YouTube. But that's it. It is on. All I have to do right now is attach the grommet back to the steering column thing. Bro, I'm done. I'm obviously fed up, but hey. Wow, bro. Fuck cars. Super facts. So, quick little fun fact. This video is approximately 9 days old, and I really thought about not uploading it due to comments being like, oh, what's happening? You creating blah, blah, blah. I don't know. I just don't deal with hate good. I really don't deal with hate comments really well. It really makes me not want to just do YouTube at all. I just hate getting hate. I don't know what it is. Like, it just makes me so upset because I put so much effort into my videos, and just for like some kid to shit on me, like, I hate it. But I thought to myself, like, I mean, I know there are some people out there that I just watch a Zosh video just because it's a Zosh video, you know what I'm saying? You know, those people win in this situation of me uploading, and I know this video wasn't like full of substance. It was kind of pointless for me to like sit here and try to edit it and make it look nice and upload it, because I didn't really show you guys the steps of what I did. Hey, bro, if you are going to replace a rack on your car, if you're thinking about going K-Series, replace the rack right away. Bro, I'm literally telling you, this thing sucked. I will never in my life do another rack and pinion replacement on a car that's K-swapped. Ever. I'm not doing it ever again. Nope, not doing it. I know there's some master mechanics out there saying, bro, it was really all you had to do. Look, bro, I didn't have the help. I asked for help. No one gave me help because no one apparently ever did it. All in all, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys with some banger videos coming very soon, like mom reaction to K24 type stuff. I really do need to hit 200,000 subscribers, man. I've been chilling at 190K for a minute now, so I gotta make some videos, some bangers, bro. So get ready for some K24 pool compilations and all fun jazz stuff like that. My next video should be me actually getting the car retuned and wideband install and all that cool stuff. So be prepared for that, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.